Hey everyone, welcome to Earthling Cooks. Today we're going to make some awesome crispy Brussels sprouts. We're going to do a honey garlic lemon recipe which comes out tasting amazing. Now the first step here is actually going to be to boil these for about 3 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and do that and then come back and go on to the next step. While our Brussels sprouts are cooling a bit before we prep them, we can prep our seasoning. And I've got 2 large cloves of garlic in here. I'm going to add in just a bit of salt and pepper. I just shake some in. I'd say about a half a teaspoon. We're going to add some lemon. I'll put in the whole lemon. And then some honey. Now my wife likes spicy stuff, so I'm using this spicy honey. If I make this for myself, I just use regular honey. You can use basically any type of honey you want, or you can kind of mess with the flavoring and seasonings you want as well. So we'll get these lemons in, and then we'll throw some honey in. Making a mess. And we'll go ahead and just stir this up, and this will be what we coat our Brussels sprouts in. For our Brussels sprouts, we'll move the couple outside leaves, and we'll discard those, and we'll cut off the bottom, and we'll chop them in half. And we'll go ahead and do that to all of them. Now that they're all prepared, we just have to get that nice crispiness to them, a little bit of char on them, and add our seasoning. Now you can do this in an oven, toaster oven. That's how I always used to do it until I got an air fryer a while ago. And I just use this thing for simplicity. Works just as good in the oven or the broiler. I like to set my oven around 450, 475 even. Same with the toaster oven. For this, I'm going to set it at its max temperature, which is 400. And either way, we're just going to cook it until we get some nice crispiness, just how you like it. So let me go ahead and get these in the machine and show you what to do next. Before cooking, we just get all our seasoning on. So I'll just use a spoon and go above each one with some. And now we're ready to cook. After 10 minutes, we are done. I'm just going to go ahead and pick them all out. Here's our final dish, looking nice and crispy. Should be very flavorful and amazing. Take a little look. Have any questions, let me know. Give these a try. We'll see y'all later. This is Earthling Cooks.